I'm working at Kujude how to dance sometimes. Like the new members?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, she's your next one.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think about this dance? What do you say about it?
Well, we love this cultural dance. We enjoy, especially when we are in group like this. Sometimes we quarrel, we laugh, we enjoy. So, this because that belong, they go after, and so I thank God now all can may exist. Some of them self have chago, my some ka kushirike na hamanfu.
Okay.
Because it gives them joy. That is the.
So actually, your school, now. Any cultural troop in school?
But I can announce here in schools that opening with talent of singing, acting, dancing, give a register. But as for me, they go man, it may be anything. Just not there. It won't be anything.
So,
yes, because even the literature English, some example in yes that na Ibiana Nsuka, na Mandu Nsuka bu Ikorodo, na ije Enugu na enwe ka ndị Enugu shagba like in Kano we can shagba their own cultural dance. Ibiana Nsuka na eji we mara ndị Nsuka bu Ikorodo. So or see that like or not that are you from Nsukka? Yes, or sige ma kedo is it live band called Ikorodo. Like no I also say no Ikorodo ka mo amara agba awesome good. That next time we this thing ngabia kuzuru ha ka she edit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.